If you've used Google PageSpeed or GTmetrix, you'll often get the recommendation to remove render blocking resources. Most popular blogs and videos advise using 2 or more plugins like these to fix this. But what they won't tell you is that the process these plugins use is outdated. So sometimes they're moderately successful and sometimes they break your site. In this video, I'll explain what render blocking resources are, how we can fix them using methods called async and differ, and which plugins out of these actually work. At the end, I'll reveal a new free plugin that is hands down the best solution, which never breaks your site and makes it 3 times faster. My name is Julian and I'm from BlogWorld, which helps over 1 million sites with backups and security. Subscribe below for some kick-ass weekly videos. Let's begin. First, I'll take 20 seconds to explain what render blocking resources are because it will be important later on. When someone visits your website, their browser processes all your page's code from top to bottom to show the primary content to the user. This is called rendering the page. If the browser finds large external CSS and JavaScript files, it will pause to download these files, causing the rendering of the page to slow down, hence giving them the name of render blocking resources. Depending on how heavy these resources are, parts of your site like banner images can load very slowly, which creates a bad user experience, or your entire page can take much longer to load, which can drive away customers. Loading speed is also a major ranking factor for Google, and we don't want render blocking resources to destroy our Google rankings. So let's talk about fixing this now. We don't need a deep dive on complicated coding technicalities because you can fix this with plugins like these. Most people use a combination of these plugins to get a good enough fix, but I won't recommend any of them. I'll put up some screenshots. Just look at how many settings and options they have. Even experienced engineers get confused here, man. Not only that, these plugins use outdated processes that can actually break your site. Let me explain. If you want to cook some great vegetable noodles, you'd put the noodles in the water to boil and meanwhile chop your vegetables and prepare your sauces. By the time your noodles have cooked, you can then add those vegetables and sauces, and this multitasking helps you finish cooking in the least amount of time. That's the same way that the two main solutions for render blocking called async and differ also work. Basically, they let the rest of your site load while heavy JavaScript and CSS gets downloaded in the background and then processed at the end to give you a faster loading website. These methods work, but the way the plugins execute them is very outdated, and that's what will break your site. Basically, two main things can cause your site to break or malfunction if you defer JavaScript, which is jQuery, which every WordPress site uses, and inline JavaScript, which some of them use. None of these plugins can analyze the JavaScript code precisely enough to recognize and avoid breaking your site because of jQuery or inline JavaScript. I'm not saying that these plugins break every site that they get, just that because of their outdated algorithms, you have to live with that risk. The other big issue we have seen is that there's often a minimal or just temporary improvement in speed, which is why you'll notice people using 2 or more plugins together and tinkering around with the settings to get a significant enough improvement in the site speed. Now, it's time for the bonus review. There's one new and free plugin in the market that never breaks your site and almost triples your site speed. This plugin is called Airlift. It has a smart algorithm that can analyze all types of JavaScript and let some of it load with the rest of the site while delaying the loading of the other ones till the end. That's why no site will ever break with this plugin, and all your render blocking resources will be fully fixed. There's also no headache of dealing with lots of settings to get this done because it's literally a one-click solution. You just have to launch it and its smart algorithm automatically starts optimizing everything that's slow on your website. The result is often a 3 times increase in website speed. I'll add a link in the description and pinned comment for you to check out. Please remember that you'll have to wait for a few minutes after Airlift has sped up your site so that Google can register the change and show it in page speed insights. Otherwise, it will just show the previous score because of the cache. Our team at BlogWorld has built multiple plugins and we spent 2 years building Airlift, which we are 100% confident can help your site actually get faster without any risks of malfunctioning. So do try it out and write to us if you have any doubts. Here's another video about optimizing your site that I thought you'd really like. Take care and I'll see you next time.